3D guided implant placement is a treatment plan that we design it in the computer first, and we print a 3D guide from the 3D printer that guide us exactly where this implant need to go in the patient mouth. So it eliminates the human error. This type of treatment, it shorten the surgery time, and it make the discomfort after the surgery very minimal. Comparing with the freehand surgeries that the patient have to have their gum flapped and their bone flapped and their bone cut, so the post of discomfort is much higher. They have a lot of swelling, they have a lot of discomfort after the surgery, plus there is more room for human error during these type of freehand surgeries. With the guided implant surgery, we are able to place the implant very precisely, and we are able to get the patient teeth in the same day of to put the implant, so they leave here with a new smile in one day. Question or concerns about dental implant, please reach to me or my team, and we offer a free consultation.